Hello dear students, welcome to the first lecture of MKT 357, that is product promotion methods. Okay, in previous video we have discussed about the total theory and practical syllabus. Okay, according to that syllabus we are going to cover the 16 theory lectures and 15 practical exercises. Okay, so today in this video we are going to discuss about the first lecture and first exercise, practical exercise. Okay, so the first lecture is about the product promotion concepts. Okay, so in which we are going to discuss about the meaning, then definition of product promotion, and what are the importance of the product promotion and objectives of the product promotion. Okay, so this syllabus is common for the theory as well as practical syllabus. Okay, so we are going to discuss in this video for both. Okay, let's start. So what is the meaning of product promotion? Okay, so we have to know about the promotion and product also. What is the promotion? Promotion is a type of communication. Okay, it is the one of the type of communication between the buyer and the seller. Okay, here we are going to promote any product related to agriculture or anything. Okay, so here two elements are important, that is buyer and seller. Okay, so whatever the communication happen between the buyers and sellers, that is called promotion. Okay, so the sellers who are the seller of any particular product, they tries to pursue the buyer to purchase their goods or services through promotions. Okay, so the main aim or the main target of the promotions is to pursue the buyer to purchase their goods and services. Okay, then this product promotion helps in making the people aware about a product or any service or any company. Okay, then this product promotion is also helps to improve the public image of the company. Okay, or you can say that it helps, the product promotion helps to improve the brand name of a particular company. That is it improves the public image. Okay, then this product promotion method of marketing may also create interest in the minds of buyers and can also generate loyal customers. Okay, so here with the help of product promotion we can create interest in the minds of buyers, as well as we can also generate the loyal customers or loyal consumers. Okay, then it is one of the basic elements of the market mix. This promotion is the one of the basic elements of the market mix. This market mix, which includes the 4 P's of market mix, these are price, product, promotion and place. These are the 4 P's of the market mix, that is price, product, promotion and place. This is the promotion is one of the basic element of this market mix. Okay, so this promotion is also one of the element in the promotional mix or the promotional plan. Okay, so this is the this product promotion is the one of the element in the promotional mix or the promotional plan. Then these are the personal selling. This promotion is related to the personal selling, then advertising, sale promotion, direct marketing, publicity, and may also includes the event marketing, then exhibitions and the trade shows. Okay, so this is in short the meaning of product promotion. Okay, so here we have discussed that the promotion is the type of communication between the buyers and the seller, and any seller tries to persuade the buyer to purchase their goods or services through the promotional activities. Okay, then this promotional activity helps in making the people aware about any particular product or any particular service or any company. Okay, so this promotion or this product promotion is also helps to improve the public image of a particular company. Okay, and this method of product promotion is a method of marketing may also create interest in the minds of buyers, as well as with the help of this method we can also generate the loyal customers or loyal consumers of any particular products. Okay, then it is one of the basic element of the market mix. Promotion is the one of basic element of the market mix. There are four different market mix elements of the market mix are there. We can call it as a 4Ps, that is price, product, promotion and place. Okay, so this we have discussed. Then next there are some definitions regarding product promotion and product promotion. Okay, in that first one is the product. Okay, what is product? Here we can say anything or any good, any service, okay, which is capable of satisfying customers' needs or consumer needs is called as product. Okay, so here product is anything which is capable of satisfying customers' needs. It means this particular product or anything which has the capacity to satisfy a particular need of the customer, and that anything is called as product. Okay, then next point is promotion. What is promotion? Generally this promotion refers to the raising consumer awareness of product or a brand, which helps in generating sales and create a brand loyalty. Okay, so this promotion, it is the activity through which the awareness of any particular product or any particular brand is created among the consumers. Okay, and with the help of this promotion the sales are increased for that particular product or create the brand loyalty of that particular product. Okay, or another one definition is there for the promotion. The promotion is the marketing function of informing, persuading and influencing the consumer decision to buy any particular company's product. Okay, so this is nothing but the promotion. It is the marketing function of informing, persuading and influencing the consumer's decision regarding to the buying of any particular product. Okay, then at the final there is a definition of product promotion. What is the product promotion? It is the communicating with the public in an attempt to influence them towards buying your products and or service. Okay, so here product promotion is nothing but the in this process the communication is takes place, or the communicating with the public in an attempt to influence them towards buying your product and or any service which you are offering. Okay, so these are the some basic definitions are there. Then next point is about the importance of product promotion. Okay, in which areas or how the product promotion is helps to the any sale of any product. Okay, and that first one importance is in the introduce new product, when any company or any producer introducing his new product in the market, at that time this product promotion is very important. Okay, so here we can see, here we can say that the product promotion is a key for introduce new product or introduce new potential customer base. Here, to introduce new product or introduce new potential customer base, the product promotion is very important. Okay, then it gives using experiences from others. In these promotional activities or the product promotion, they use the experience from the others. Okay, or they can compare their product with the other products or other competitors. Okay, so it's validate your product's effectiveness and desirability through citing research or awards. Okay, so here we can validate your product effectiveness or desirable. Okay, so it gives media to write and speak about your product. The product promotional activity use the media to write and speak about your particular product. Okay, then again this product promotion gives information about the facts that available in your product to all alert consumers. Okay, this product promotion or the through the process of product promotion, we can give the information about fact that available in your product to all alert consumers. Alert consumers who are alert in the sense they are taking an information, additional information regarding the newly arrived product in the market. Okay, so that particular consumers are we can call alert consumers. Okay, then second one, increase product knowledge and preference. Okay, so here the product promotion is also important in the point of increase the product knowledge and the preference. Okay, just because consumer know your product doesn't mean they will buy it. Okay, here as any consumer knows about your product, so it here we cannot say that just because she aware about your product, he doesn't mean that he will buy your product. So here promotion is an important. Okay, then even if you get sales of major retailer for your product, the consumer may not purchase it if they are not familiar with it. Okay, as the major retailers, they give you sales for your product, but if any consumer does not have any information about your product, so they cannot buy that particular product. Okay, then the promotion communicate your product's benefits to the consumer and helps convince them your product is something they need. Okay, so here this promotion communicate your product's benefits, how your product is differ from the another products or another competitors. Okay, and this promotion is also helps to convince them your product is something they need. Okay, then next one, increase sales. To increase any particular product sales, the promotion is an important. So it is an important tool to measure success. After introduce your product, you need to quickly follow with these promotions. Okay, so this promotion, the product promotion, convinces your product better, less expensive, or more prestigious than similar brands. Okay, so here if any customer knows about your product, that is your product is better or less expensive or more prestigious than the similar brands, then your sale is automatically increased. Okay, so this product promotion is important in the increase in sales. Okay, then next one importance is this product promotion. It helps to increase awareness of product quality, the product features, its price and functions. Okay, so this is helpful to increase awareness of the product quality, features, price and functions. Then again, this product promotion helps to create brand image in the market or in the minds of the customers. Okay, then again it motivate consumer to buy your particular product. Then this product promotion helps to make huge profit through selling the goods. And last one, this product promotion convince consumer to buy a product. Okay, this is about the importance of product promotion. Then next point is about objectives. What are the different objectives of product promotion? Why we are doing this product promotion activities? Okay, so this product promotion activities, firstly we are going through this because of to create awareness or provide information of your product to the consumers. Okay, so this product promotion is tell the people about your product, then its benefits and the information about the product depending on the specific target market. Okay, so here first objective is to create awareness or provide information of your product. Then second one, to increase the business or the customers of your product. To attract new customer by various promotional activities like advertising, organizing events, websites, etc. To reach up to the potential customer and induce them to purchase the particular product. This is the important one objective, that is to increase the business or your number of customers. Then third one, to increase the sale. This promotional activity is another the objective of the product promotion is to increase the sale. Once the people become customer of a business or any organization, another objective of a promotion is to encourage them to buy more quantities of your product. Okay, so through this the sale is increased. Okay, the promotional activities like a discount, special offers in a particular season, then free gifts, etc. These all helps to create or increase the sale of your product. Okay, then fourth objective is to retain customer. Retain, it means the customer has to use your product repeatedly. Okay, so retention marketing promotion is to turn on one-time customers into the repeat purchase customers and providing them information about the special offers, so they can take an opportunity of that particular special offers and they can buy more and more quantities of your product. Okay, then next objective is to create a brand awareness among the customers or among the individuals. Okay, so with the help of product promotion, create a brand name in the minds of customers by keeping its name in front of the consumers and reinforce its image in the mind of customer. Okay, so through which we can create the brand awareness. The next one, to introduce new product. Okay, here to introduce the new product, this is another one objective of the product promotion. to introduce new product in the market by retaining existing customer, and this will help organization to increase the product range and diversification of business. Okay, so with the help of product promotion, you can introduce your new product in the market, or with the help of introducing new product, the range of your company or range of the products is increased, and as well as the diversification of business is takes place. Okay, and the last one objective is to differentiate the product. Through the various promotional activities, any company is always try to differentiate its product from other competitors, so that the consumer is able to purchase the product according to the preference as compared to other competitors. Okay, so these are the different objectives of product promotion. Okay, this is all about the lecture number first and exercise number first in the product promotion methods. Okay, so today we will stop here. Another part of this particular topic, that is product promotion concepts, that is lecture number 2, in which we are going to cover the different, we can say the promotional policies of the product promotion, and what are the different tools or the techniques of product promotion. Okay, we are going to discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you.